Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sure Lock and Key channel, your trusted source for all things locksmithing and security. Losing your car keys can be stressful, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll walk you through the practical steps to take if you've lost your car keys, from simple solutions like checking for spares to professional locksmith services that can save the day. Stick with us, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to get back on the road quickly and stress-free. Let's dive in. The first and most important step: stay calm. Panic won't help, and in many cases, the solution is easier than you think. Ask yourself, are the keys truly lost, or could they be misplaced? Check common spots, like your bag, pockets, or even near your car. If you're sure they're lost, don't worry. Options like spare keys, locksmiths, and advanced technology can help. If you have a spare key, now's the time to use it. Check with family members or anyone you've given a spare to. Some car manufacturers provide digital keys via apps. Worth checking if your car has that feature. No spare? No problem. Let's move to the next step. If you don't have a spare, contacting a professional locksmith is your best bet. Here's why. Locksmiths can create a new key for most car models, even without the original. They can help you get back into your car quickly and safely. Make sure you call a licensed and insured locksmith, like Sure Lock and Key, to avoid scams and ensure quality service. Different car keys require different solutions. Traditional keys, easy to duplicate. Transponder keys require programming. Smart keys may need to be reprogrammed or replaced entirely. A professional locksmith can handle all of these, saving you a trip to the dealership. To avoid future stress, here are some tips. Get spare keys made and keep them in a safe place. Use a key tracking device like a Bluetooth tracker. Set a designated spot at home for your keys. Lost your car keys? Don't let it ruin your day. Sure Lock and Key is here to help 24/7. Give us a call or visit our website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and solutions to keep you safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.